two. 1 2. समय का एक तारा है जब भोले जलता मरु में मरु रस बोले ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय समय का एक तारा जब बोले जल तल मरु में मरु रस बोले ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय जग के दुख संताप प्रेम नवा जब तुझको तर पावे मोह माया के ज्योति बंधन जब तुझको तर पावे जब नाम मुख से बोले बोले ओ जब तप में साचा सुख है प्यारे नाम चल पल से पतित पावन नाम है उसका उसके नाम के जल से जब तप में साचा सुख है प्यारे पावन नाम है उसका उसके नाम के जल से जीवन के चकरिया बोले ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय ओ नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय समय के तारा जब बोले तल तल मधु में मधुर रस बोले ओ नमः शिवाय 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 ओ नमः वेणुरिलोरन गोपीनरञ्जन यशोरनन्दन वेणुरिलोरन गोपीनरञ्जन यशोरनन्दन ओ आनन्द चन्दना देवकी नन्दना श्रीरंगाना कृष्णाना देवकी नंदाना श्रीरंगाना कृष्णाना देवकी नंदाना कमल नयन श्यामल बदन आनंद चंद्राना वो कमल नयन श्यामल बदन आनंद चंद्राना यशोरनंदन ओ देवकी श्रीरंगाना कृष्णाना देवकी नंदन कमल नयन श्यामल बदन आनंद चंद्राना वो कमल नयन श्यामल बदन आनंद चंद्राना यशोरनंदन आहा देवकी नंदना श्रीरंगाना कृष्णाना देवकी नंदना श्रीरंगाना कृष्णाना देवकी नंदना नंदलाल
सोच बोले श्रुमापति महादेव की जय। और शक्ति जगदम्बा माता की जय। श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। शुभ स्वागतम and welcome to this evening's Sandhya. This evening, of course, performing our puja, worship to the lotus-like feet of the divine Devis and Devatas of the universe. Worshipping Mahakali Mata, that divine form of Durga Devi, that fierce form, that form that is most misunderstood in Sanatan Dharam, but yet that most beautiful form of a divine mother. This evening, my dear friends, devotees and bhaktas, as we are about to commence our pravachan, our series of kathas taken from the various scriptures, understanding a little bit more about that form of the Divine Mother of the universe. Not only that one form of Kali Ma, but throughout these evenings we will learn about the Das Mahavidya. We will learn about the Chausat Yogini, the various roop and forms of Devi. For this is our 7th year of Devi Utsav celebrations. On the first year, we would have worshipped the Divine Mother in the form of Durga. On the second year, for the devotees who would have joined with us, we would have worshipped the clay image of Kali Ma, Durga Ma, and Kal Bhairav Baba. And of course, this year, returning once more to the worship to Kali Ma, dedicating our Utsav this year to that Divine Mother, Mahakali Ma. The decision was made many years ago, and seeing, of course, the current situation of the world with the pandemic of the COVID-19, we have decided to dedicate our Utsav to that destructive form of Durga, Mahakali Ma, to destroy all illness, all sickness, to bring relief from this pandemic as we worship the divine destructive form of Durga Devi. This worship, my dear friends and devotees, is solely about devotion to the feet of Kali Ma. This evening, before we journey to Katha, let us all stand as we join in Devi Aarti. Om Sajam Chavarati Samyuktam Vahina Yochatamaya Deepagrihan Devasya Trailokya Timidapaham Yani Tani Japapani Janmihirtatani Cha Tani Tani Vanashyanti Parakshana Prade Prade. Together, Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini Durga Chama Shiva Dhatre Swaha Swadha Namostute. Bole Mahakali Mata ki, Mahakali Mata ki. सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार पाया। सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल, पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल, ले तेरे भीत चराया, ले तेरे भीत चराया। अम्मा चोरा तेरे अंग बिराजे, सुवा चोरा तेरे अंग बिराजे, केसरी तिलक लगाया, केसरी तिलक लगाया। सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। बोले महाकाली माता की, महाकाली माता की। ब्रह्मा वीर परे तेरे द्वारे, ब्रह्मा वीर परे तेरे द्वारे, शंकर ध्यान लगाया, शंकर ध्यान लगाया। सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। धूप दीप नैवेद्य हारती, धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती, मोहन भोग लगाया, मोहन भोग लगाया। सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। धन्यो भगत मया तेरे गुण गावे, धन्यो भगत मया तेरे गुण गावे। मन वांछित फल पाया, मन वांछित फल पाया। सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। This evening, my dear friends and devotees, we offer salutations to the feet of Bhagwan Shankara. For Lord Shiva is the destroyer of all negative energies, the destroyer of all lust, greed, anger and hatred. This evening, as we offer salutations to the feet of Shankara, Prabhu, may you destroy all negative energy that may come towards our yajna, may you destroy all negative energy that may come towards our worship, and may you, of course, remove all these negativity. May you fill our yajna, our worship with peace, with love, with harmony, with unity, and with understanding, we pray. Bam bole hare, mora man kamnam pura. Bam bole hare, mora man kamnam pura kare. Mora man kamnam pura kare, mora man kamnam pura kare. Bam bole hare, mora man kamnam pura kare. Bam bole hare, mora man kamnam pura kare. बाबा की दाम पर गंगा किनार पर गंगा की दाम, बाबा की दाम पर गंगा किनार पर गंगा किनार, सब घेरतवा बाबा दुआ। दुआ बम भोले हरे, मोर मन कामना पूरा करे, बम भोले हरे, मोर मन कामना पूरा करे, मोर मन कामना पूरा करे, मोर मन कामना पूरा करे, बम भोले हरे, मोर मन कामना पूरा करे। ओम नमः शिवाय, हरि ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, हरि ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, हरि ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, हरि ओम नमः शिवाय। बोले जगदम्बा माता की, काली माता की, सत्य सनातन धर्म की। My dear friends and devotees, you may have your respectful seats this evening. As you are about to embark, as you are about to join in beautiful katha taken from the golden pages of the Devi Bhagavatam, as you are about to understand that image of the Divine Mother, Mahakali Ma, I invite you all to sit upright. Let us all draw our palms together. Let us close the physical eyes as you visualize the Divine Devi of the universe. She is called Durga. She is called Kali, Lakshmi, Mahasaraswati. She is called by many different names. She is visualized by many different forms. But she is Jagat Janani Mata. She is the universal mother. This evening, Oma, we come before you as your humble children, your humble servant, to worship your lotus-like feet, to listen to your praises, Oma, to glorify you and to glorify your name. Om Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Devi Ma, Kali Ma, Shakti Ma, हमें दया करो। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः, ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः, ओम श्री गुरु चरण कमलेभ्यो नमो नमः, श्री गोविंदाय नमो नमः। Salutations to Lord Ganesh. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirviganam Kurume Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvada Gajananam Bhutaganari Sevitam Kapita Jambo Palasara Vakshatam उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पारपङ्कजं। Salutations to Bhagwan Shankar. Nagendrahara Yatrirochanaya Basmangaraya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shudhaya Digambaraya तस्मै नाकराय ओम नमः शिवाय। Salutations to Devi Durga. सर्वमंगलमंगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। Salutations to Kali Mata. जयन्ते मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा दात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते. Salutations to the lotus-like feet of our Guru. Shri Guru Charana Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukunda Sudan Varano Raghubar Vimalayasha Jonayaka Palachar Gunahina Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavana Kumar Balaburi Vedya Devu Muhi Harahu Kale Shavikar Siyapati Ramachandra Ji ki Jai Sharanam. Bode Shri Jagadamba Mata ki Jai. This evening, my dear friends and devotees, Devi Bhagavatam, Shiv Mahapuran teaches us as well that Bhagwan Shiva, becoming wedded to Devi Sati, Sati Maya, the daughter of Daksh Prajapati, the son of Brahma. Daksh, my dear friends and devotees, he had great ego, pride, abhiman. And Sati Devi fell in love with Bhagwan Shankar, Lord Shiva. And her love was only centered upon Shankar Bhagwan, Lord Shankar. When you look at Lord Shiva, he wears the tiger skin. What's the jewelry of Lord Shiva? The nag, the snake. Bhagwan Shankar holds the what? The Trishul. He holds the Damaru. He has the Ganga flowing from his hair. He has the Jata, the matted hair. He's bare feet. He's besmeared with what? People put on all type of expensive powder. And what powder Lord Shankar wears? The Vibhuti. The ashes from the cremation site. He besmears his body with this. Bhagwan Shankar, my dear friends, he has no beginning, neither any end. He is supreme. Sati Devi, she wants to marry Lord Shiva. She becomes wedded to Shankar Bhagwan. But Daksh Prajapati, he felt ashamed of Lord Shiva. He was ashamed to say that Lord Shiva is his son-in-law. Because when people look at Shiva and they see Lord Shiva dressed like this coming on the wedding day, what would they do? They began to talk about how the Dulaha is dressed. And Daksh Prajapati saw this as an insult. Because now Lord Shiva, his vehicle is what? The bull, the Nandi. Who were the people who went with him on the wedding day? The Bhoot and the Pret. These are some of the disciples of Lord Shiva. And Daksh Prajapati always kept this with him. One day, my dear friends, Daksh is about to have a yagya, a great sacrifice. He invited all of the rishis, the munis. He invited all of the family members, the holy ones. He invited everyone to gather at his home for this grand Mahayagya. And why is they gather for this yagya? My dear friends, Katha tells to us what takes place. Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Devi Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Sri Kali Sharanam Mama, Devi Mahakali Namo Namah. Daksh Prajapati, my dear friends, inviting everyone to gather at his home for his Mahayagya. He didn't invite Lord Shiva. He didn't invite Sati Devi. And as everyone is excited to join this Mahayagya, just as we all are excited to join in this Mahayagya, just as we are excited to worship the Devi despite of whatever obstacles or hurdles may come in our path, likewise they too are excited to worship the divine. And as everyone is preparing themselves for this Mahayagya, Sati Devi comes to learn that her father, Daksh Prajapati, is having a yagya. But he didn't come to invite him. He didn't come to invite Sati Devi, neither Lord Shiva. And the day is approaching. And as the day comes where the yagya is about to begin, my dear friends and devotees, Sati Devi, she tells to Shankar, Prabhu, I am going to the home of my father. There is a yagya that is about to take place. And so I will not miss this for anything in the world. And so Lord Shiva, he tells to Devi, what he tells, Katha tells to us. Amar Puri aur sab loka, tu महिमा के सभर का, ज्वाला में है ज्योति तुम्हारे, नर नारे पूजे नर नारे, श्री काली शरणम ममा, श्री काली शरणम ममा, श्री काली शरणम ममा, देवी श्री काली शरणम ममा, माता श्री काली शरणम ममा, मैया श्री काली शरणम ममा, देवी श्री काली शरण। पूरे महाकाली माता की, शंकर भगवान की। My dear friends, Sati Devi, she tells to Shankar Bhagwan that I want to go to the yagya at the home of my parents. If there is going to perform a yagya, I should be there. And Lord Shiva says, oh Sati, were you invited to this yagya? Did your father come? Did he invite you to the yagya? Did anybody invite you to the yagya? And she says, I do not need an invitation to go to my father's home. And Bhagwan Shankar, he insists, he says, Devi, if you are not invited somewhere, it means that you are not wanted there. So you should not go. Sati Devi, my dear friend, she saw this opportunity to go home, to go and enjoy the yagya, to be involved in this beautiful yajna. And Lord Shiva is telling to her that she should not go. She becomes angry, my dear friends. And as she becomes angry, Devi Mata Sati, she is whom? Sati Devi is Mahashakti. She is the divine Shakti of the universe. And as Devi Ma, she becomes angry. Standing there, she begins to turn red in color. Turning red in color, my dear friends, the hair of Devi Ma begins to grow. And whilst the hair of the Divine Mother begins to grow, Sati Devi stands there. And while she stands there, from the third eye of Devi Maya, Bhagwan Shankar is looking on. And while he looks there, he sees the anger within the Devi. He sees how disappointed she is. She is insisting that she must go and that she should go. And while she insists, my dear friends, as Bhagwan Shankar looks at Devi Maya, he sees 10 beautiful rupa forms surrounding her. Who is these 10 forms? Katha tells to us this evening. Jai Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahan. Jai Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahan. Jai Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahan. The 10 Mahavidyas is seen around the Devi. When Lord Shiva looks at Devi Mata, he sees Kali Maya. Who is Kali Mata? That divine energy, that consciousness of destruction to restore what? Dharma. When he looks, he sees Tara Devi. Tara Devi, my dear friends, standing on one side. He sees Chanamasta Devi. He sees Shodashi Devi. He sees Bhuvaneshwari Maya. When he looks on the other side, he sees Bhairavi Mata. He sees Dhumavati Devi, the Devi who stands for truth. He sees Bhagramukhi Mata, the one who punished those who tell truth or lie. He looks, he sees whom? Kamla Devi. Who is Kamla Devi? Mahalakshmi Mata. When he looks in the very center, he doesn't see Sati Devi anymore. But whom does he see? He sees Kali Mata in that mandal. In a beautiful mandal standing there, and he begins to pray. Why? Because these 10 Mahavidya is the destructive forms of a Divine Mother. These are the destructive forms of Devi. And as he prays, what he says, we listen. Suno Jagadambe Karata Bilambe Jai Kali Kalyan Karo. Suno Jagadambe Karata Bilambe Jai Kali Kalyan Karo. Jai Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahan. Bhagwan Shiva, he prays, Suno Devi Maya Ma, listen to me. If it is that you want to go, Shanti Karo Ma. The 10 Mahavidyas enters back into the body of Sati Devi. Bhagavan Shankar sees how powerful, he knows how powerful she is. And he says, Ma, if this is your wish, then so it shall it be. But, O Devi, remember that I told you that you are going there without an invitation. For every action, there is a reaction. For every action, there are consequences. And so, Devi, if you go, you are going by your will. And Sati Devi, what she does, Katha tells us. Jai Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahat. Jai Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahat. Daya Karo Tum Karo Sahat. Daya Karo Tum Karo. Mata ki Sati Devi, she's about to go to the home of Daksh Prajapati. And while she's about to go to the home of Daksh Prajapati, Bhagwan Shankar reminds her that every action, there is a reaction. So sometimes in life we do things or we say things, and when people retaliate, the reaction comes, what happens? We become more vexed than everything and everybody else. Isn't that so? But do we take time to think about what did I do? What did I say? No. Because why? We are never wrong. We are always right. We blame everything else and everybody else for things that happen to us and for the reaction, for the consequences for our actions. Isn't that so? If something happened, blame Uncle Sam. Blame Kishan. Blame Nirmal. If nobody there, blame the Kuta. Blame the dog and everybody else. But do we take time to think about where did I go wrong? What did I do wrong? What did I say wrong to receive these consequences? My dear friends, Katha is teaching us, for every action, there is a reaction. The 10 Mahavidya, these beautiful forms appear there. teaching and showing the world how powerful this Devi is. From that very calm form of Sati Devi, my dear friends, these thus Mahavidya, these roops take form. Sati Devi goes to the home of Daksh Prajapati, the Yagya, and when she goes there, my dear friends and devotees, reaching there, entering, everyone is looking at her. I'm sure you have felt this feeling already. Have you ever went somewhere, and when you reach, everybody watching you like, what are you doing here? Jai Bhagwan. This is how Sati is feeling. She's feeling hurt. When she goes close to the altar, she doesn't see the image of Lord Shiva being worshipped. My dear friends, in every puja and every worship, whether it is Kali Puja, whether it is Durga Puja, Hanuman Puja, whatever puja we do, most important in every worship, most present in every worship is whom? Lord Shiva. She realized that the image of Lord Shiva isn't there. She realized the lingam of Lord Shiva isn't placed there. She realized that no puja is done to Shankara Bhagavan. She felt hurt. She felt disappointed. This is why when we perform our yagyas, we will ensure that lingam puja is always performed. This is why when we are performing our puja, every puja we worship whom? Ganesh, Gauri and Shankar, Lord Shiva. My dear friends, seeing this, as the Agni Kund is lit, Sati Devi decides, what should I live for? Bhagwan Shiva is upset with me. My father, he doesn't even acknowledge me. My relatives, they don't recognize, acknowledge me. They don't even care at this time about me. What purpose am I serving in this earth? Sati Devi forgets all about the energy that resides within her. She forgets all about how great she is. She forgets about how powerful she is. In life, when we are treated like this, when we are belittled, my dear friends, we forget about how great we are. We all are very great. We all have great abilities and great power within us. But we do not recognize this from time to time. We do not acknowledge this, my dear friends. The Devi resides within every one of us. The Devatas reside within each and every one of us. And sometimes, just like Sati Devi, she forgets all about this. She says, I will now become an offering to whom? To the Agni, to the fire. And as Devi Maya Sati, she stands at the Havan Kund. She begins to pray. And while she prays, Katha tells to us this evening, Dum, 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 Durga, dum, 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 Durga, dum, 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 Durga, dum, 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 Durga. She begins to pray. O Agni Devta, if I serve no purpose in this world, then please take me. Take me with you. Lord Shiva, my dear friends, He knows the past, the present and the future. He holds what the Trishul, which represents the past, present and the future. He holds it. He's the holder of time. This is the Leela of Lord, the Divine. He knows what is about to take place. He sits in Kailash Parvat and He's waiting. Sati Devi, she enters into the fire. Om Sri Agni Devyai Namah Swaha. As she enters into the fire, my dear friends and devotees, and the fire begins to blaze, Bhagwan Shankar, where he is sitting in Samadhi, he can feel the presence. He can feel what is taking place. He knows that Sati Devi has entered into the fire. Bhagwan Shankar, he appears at the Yagya of Daksh Prajapati. And as he appears there, he takes a beautiful roop and a beautiful form. He takes the form of Veerabhadra. He holds the burning body of Sati Devi. And as he holds the burning body of Sati Devi, the parts are falling out. He begins to dance. And why does he dance, my dear friends? He dances the dance of destruction. The parts of the body of Sati Devi begins to fall throughout the universe. And while his parts, his body parts are falling, my dear friends and devotees, Bhagwan Shankar, he dances the dance of instructions. Bum 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 bola, bum 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 bola, bum 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 bola. Dimi taka bridanga bola, har bum 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 bola. Dimi taka bridanga bola, har bum 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 bola, bum 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 bola, bum 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 bola. The various parts of Devi Maya is falling. As the tongue falls, my dear friends, in your tongue again Devta resides. And up to this day, my dear friends and devotees, where the tongue of Sati Devi fell, is called Jwalamukhi. And Jwalamukhi, there is that flame, that fire that is lighting up to this day. And no one, no scientist, nothing could prove how this fire is lighting. This is where the tongue of Sati Devi fell, and this is where fire is lighting up to this day, my dear friends. And why is Bhagwan Shankar dances the dance of destruction? In the form of Veerbhadra, he holds the head of Daksh Prajapati. Why? Because Daksh Prajapati is filled with abhiman, with ego, with pride, my dear friends and devotees. And as Lord Shiva holds the head in this form of Veerbhadra, he takes off the head of Daksh Prajapati. Bam bole hare, mora man kaam naam pura kare. Bam bole hare, mora man kaam naam pura kare. Mora man kaam naam pura kare. Mora man kaam naam pura kare. Bam bole hare, mora man kaam naam pura kare. Bam bole hare, mora man kaam naam pura kare. Bam bole hare, mora man kaam naam pura kare. Gure Shankar Bhagwan ki. Bhagwan Shankar in the form of Veerbhadra, he holds the head of Daksh Prajapati. And as he takes off the head of Daksh Prajapati, he removes what? The ego, the abhiman and the pride. This evening as we prepare ourselves, this evening Katha is only the preparation to absorb Kali Katha from tomorrow. And I have chosen to introduce the 10 Mahavidyas. During these nights we will touch on the 10 Mahavidyas, the 10 forms of Devi. And why I have chosen this Katha, just as Shankar Bhagwan, he holds the head in the form of Veerbhadra, and he takes off the head of Daksh Prajapati. He takes off the abhiman, the ego, the pride, the jealousy, the hatred. When we come to Kali Mata worship, and when we begin to worship Kali Mata in today's world, many claim that they are the greatest bhakta of Kali Mata. When we begin to worship Kali Mata, we feel as though we are the greatest devotee of Kali. We begin to get what? Abhiman. We begin to get ego. We begin to get pride. But what happens then? The same Kali, the same Devta that you worship and Devi that you worship will bring what? Your destruction. Because wherever there is pride and ego, the mother is never there. So never have pride and ego when you worship the mother. Be humble to the feet of the Devi. None of us could claim Kali is ours. Because Kali is universal. She belongs to everyone. She's the children of each and every one of us. And we are all free to worship Devi and receive her blessing in whatever way and whatever form that you choose to do so. But whatever form you choose to worship Maya, or even any of the Devis and Devtas, never allow abhiman, ego, pride, jealousy, hatred get the better of you. Because when we begin to worship Kali Mata, as we will learn in kathas, in our kathas in a few nights, that when you begin to worship Kali Mata, the Kundalini begins to what? Activate. And when the Kundalini begins to activate, as we will learn about the Kundalini in one of our kathas, the energy of the mother is felt. The body begins to vibrate and shake, removing what? All of the negative energy that surrounds us. So when the energy is coming, the body begins to vibrate destroying all of these negative energies, for that pure energy to come. And then through the awakening of the Kundalini, my dear friends, Mahashakti appears. The divine Devis and Devatas will now use the body as an instrument. The Devi will now use the body as an instrument to do what? To heal her devotees, to manifest, to help her devotees, her children. But many times you see in today's world, when this happens, we begin to have abhiman now. We begin to have ego, because it's who could manifest better than who. Who could manifest better than who, and who power better than who won. Isn't that so? This is the sad reality that we live in. And who doing the mother worship better, and who is doing it wrong, and who is doing it right. My dear friends, when it comes to worshiping the mother, there is no right and there is no wrong. Once there is the love, once there is devotion, and once there isn't abhiman and ego and pride and jealousy and hatred, the mother will accept whatever is offered to her. Whatever you give to the Devi, she will accept it. If you have one banana and you give it to Maya with love and devotion, she will accept it. And if you have a whole hana fig and you have pride and ego, she would never accept it. This evening, go before the mother with love in your heart. Not with abhiman and ego like Daksh Prajapati. Because what would it bring? Your destruction. And this evening, as we gather to worship Devi Ma, as we gather to absorb the kathas of Devi, this evening katha is to prepare us for devotion. We all are very excited to worship Devi Ma once more. There are many, my dear friends and devotees, who are called, but few are chosen for Devi worship. Why I make this statement? Many are called, but few are chosen. Devi worship is very simple, and it could be very difficult yet, very complicated. Once you understand that whatever you offer with love, Devi would accept. Once you have faith in her, once you have vishwas and confidence, my dear friends, in the feet of Devi Maya. I've chosen to do this katha so that we will understand, as time goes by during this period of worship to Devi, to remain humble to the feet of the Divine Mother. To remain humble to the feet of Kali Ma. And once we continue to perform our worship every day, 3 times a day, we will do it with love and devotion and nothing else. Do not let the observation of the unworthy get the better of you. My dear friends, it's all about love and devotion. And this evening, while Hawan is in progress, only today I've learned that many think that it's the first time I'm worshipping Kali Ma. And many think it's the first time I may be making a murti of Kali Ma in clay and worshipping. But for my devotees of my mandir joining with us this evening, you will remember that in our 2nd year of Devi Utsav, we would have prepared the image of Kali Ma, Durga Ma and Bhairav Baba in clay, and we'd have worshipped throughout Trinidad. And as promised and as see fit, with the pandemic and the COVID to bring destruction of this current situation, we have decided to once more again prepare to create the clay image of Kali Ma to destroy all of these sickness and this current situation that we're experiencing. Only this evening I've learned this, my dear friends, and I choose to share this with everyone joining with us. That it's not today we have been introduced to Kali worship. I have been worshipping Kali Mata for many years. As much as I can know myself, I have been worshipping Kali Ma. And I have always prayed to Devi Mata from a very small image like this, literally, like this, for many years, because I couldn't afford a bigger murti. That was maybe the biggest. And I always say, Ma, one day, I would have you in a beautiful big form. And the day came a couple of years ago where a devotee had blessed me with this beautiful 6 feet Kali Ma Murti. And I was so amazed when I saw this Murti. And the Devi, of course, came in a very grand way to my home. And still having this love for Kali Ma, just at the very beginning of the pandemic, the same gentleman, Mr. Daniram, who created this clay image, he have created most of our murtis. He called me one day and said, Baba, your murti is ready. I said, Jai Bhagwan, murti, I order no murti. And then he said, check me in the morning. I went. And it had this beautiful Devi. As you enter my home, at the very entrance, there is a 5 feet Kali Mata Murti. And he said, Baba, this Murti is for you. There's going to have a lockdown in a day's time. So please come, it was Navratri, and carry the Devi. Why? Because he knew the love that I had for Kali Ma, and he wanted to present this Murti to me. And just a couple months after, another Bhakta came to me and, Baba, I have a gift for you. And when she brought the gift, it was this 3 feet marble Kali Murti. And many years ago, even before these Murtis came to me, many years ago, I went to the Indian Expo. And the gentleman was selling marble Murtis. And he said, Panditji, I have a lot of friends in Indian Expo. He said, Panditji, I see that Kali Mata is with you. For some reason, I don't know why. And he had a Kali Murti, marble about this big. And he said, this Murti, I want you to take it home with you. And I want you to worship this Divine Mother. And for some reason, he gave this gift for me. And today, I know he's no longer with us. And of course, earlier this year, during the Pitri Paksh, I would have joined with his family, his son who came from India, in performing Pitri worship. May Bhagwan Krishna bless his soul. But my first marble Kali Murti was given to me by him. And so this Devi became not only a part of my life, but a part of my family life. Then, by extension, coming to the mandir, she became a part of my devotees' life too. So it's not today, or for any reason now, we choose to worship Devi. We have been worshipping her for years upon years. So this is nothing new to me or to any of my devotees. Neither the clay Murti of Kali is nothing new. This is our second Murti. We have done this before. Maybe it wasn't in the public domain because we didn't have Facebook at that time. We maybe had Facebook, but I was not Facebook. And we didn't have Media Concept 29 with us to take it to the home of devotees. But this year, we see where it went home to the devotees. And they would have looked at the beautiful image of Devi Mata. So my dear friends, this evening I've chosen to share my personal experience with Devi Ma. And throughout the nights I will share some of my experiences of the greatness of Kali Mata and the greatness of her blessings to me, and why I am dedicated to her feet, not only for these 9 nights, but throughout my life. When you look at my vehicles, every one of my car has a beautiful Murti of Kali Mata. Inside my home there is Kali Mata. Inside of me there is Kali Mata. She is within each and every one of us. So this evening Katha would have taught us, as we worship Devi, as we're about to perform Vrat for these 9 nights, for this period of worship, do it without pride, ego, abhiman, jealousy or hatred, but only with love and devotion. And we receive the blessings of the Devis and Devtas. Do not become Daksh Prajapati, but become Kali consciousness. Bure Shri Mahakali Mata ki jai, Satya Sanatan Dharma ki jai. Let us all stand for our final Purnamahuti offering. Om Purnamidha Purnamidam Purnata Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Sarvam Vai Purnagvam Shanti Swaha. We offer Achman. Om Sarva Papa Haram Divyam Gangayam Nirmalam Jalam आचमन्यं मयारतं गृहाणं परमेश्वरम्. We find the fire east, west, north, south to the heaven. Om Varaspatira Bhutoyo Ganyu Ganyu Namaha Agrahan Sarvadevanam Dupam Samarpayami. Let us all take blessing. Ojasi Ojasi Mohidehi Balamasi Balamasi Mohidehi Dupam Samarpayami. Bole Jagaramma Mata Ki. We are about to offer our coconut this evening. And once we offer our coconut, we pray once more to Hanumanji, the embodiment of strength. Om Lal Deh Lali Lase Arudhari Lal Langur Bhadra Deh Lana Varalang Jai 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 Kapisur Yatra Yatra Raghunath Kirtanam Tatra Tatra Kirtamasvi Kancharam Vaspari Paripurna Lochanam Maruti Nityam Raksha Sankasyam Om Namo Hanumate Namaha. Bole Pavan Putra Hanuman ki Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo Gurudeva ki nai. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo Gurudeva ki nai. Gurudeva ki nai. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo Gurudeva ki nai. Pavan Putra Hanuman ki. Pavan Putra Hanuman ki. We worship Kal Bhairav Baba, the eighth Mitra, the eighth form of Lord Shankara. And whilst we worship Bhairav Baba, we pray for protection from all negative forces and negative energies that may come towards our yajna, that may come towards our puja. O Prabhu, may you ward off all negativity. Om Rim Madhukaya Padvaranaya Guru Guru Madhukaya Rim Om Namah Shivaya. Bole Kal Bhairav Baba ki. Mero Bhairav Baba, Mero Bhairav Baba, Kali Mata Lale. Mero Bhairav Baba, Mero Bhairav Baba, Kali Mata Lale Kahai re. Kali Mata Lale Kahai re, Kahai re. Kali Mata Lale Kahai. Mero Bhairav Baba, Mero Bhairav Baba, Kali Mata Lale Kahai re. We pray now to Kali Maya, the destructive form of Durga Devi Oma. May you accept this offering of the coconut and may you bestow your darshan, your blessing upon us. Om Jayanti Kali Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini Durga Chama Shiva Datri Swaha Swadha Namosute. Om Bhadra Kali Namo Nityam Sarve Shakti Sarupani Narayani Namo Sarvate. Om Mahakali Devyai Namaha. Bole Kali Mata ki. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Kali Bhavani Ambe Ma. Bolo Kali Bhavani Ambe. Kali Mata ki. Join in Aarti to the feet of Kali Ma. Those devotees who wish to offer your Aarti, you can come very early, perform your Aarti. Don't forget to sanitize your hands. And of course, whilst you perform your Aarti and Puja, your worship to the feet of Devi Maya, receive her darshan, receive her blessings. Whilst you perform your Aarti, remember to sanitize, to keep that social distance, and of course to wear your mask as you worship Devi Maya this evening. Our main Shruta will now perform our final Aarti. पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल, पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल। पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल, पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल। ले तेरे बीच चराया, बोले तेरे बीच चराया, बोलो देवी भवानी अम्बे माँ, देवी भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो देवी भवानी अम्बे, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी, महाकाली माता की। सुवाचोर तेरे अंग विराजे, सुवाचोर तेरे अंग विराजे, केसरी तिलक लगाया, ओ केसरी तिलक लगाया, बोलो देवी भवानी अम्बे माँ, देवी भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो देवी भवानी अम्बे, बोलो देवी भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो देवी भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ। ब्रह्मा वीर परे तेरे द्वारे, ब्रह्मा वीर परे तेरे द्वारे, शंकर ध्यान लगाया, वो शंकर ध्यान लगाया, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ। धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती, धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती, मोहन भोग लगाया, ओ मोहन भोग लगाया, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, काली भवानी माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ। भगत मैं तेरे गुण गावे, धन्यो भगत मैं तेरे गुण गावे, मन वांछित फल पाया, ओ मन वांछित फल पाया, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो काली भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ, बोलो शक्ति भवानी अम्बे माँ। जय देवी महाकाली रे, जय देवी महाकाली रे, महाकाली रे, जय देवी महाकाली रे। काली मंगलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते। आदि शक्ति माँ जग की जननी रंचन्दी महाकाली रे, आदि शक्ति माँ जग की जननी रंचन्दी महाकाली रे। जय देवी महाकाली रे, 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 जय देवी महाकाली। palms together in prayer. Om Mantrahinam Kriyahinam Bhaktihinam Chalaranam Yat Pujitam Maya Deva Paripurnam Trastrame Kahena Vacha Marasindreva Puryatmana Va Prakritim Subhautam Karomi Yagya Sakalam Parashme Narayanayate Samarapayami. Together. Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Chasaka Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. With hands clasped together, turn to the person next to you as you say Sitaram. Shakabarak Hore Sitaram 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 Shakabarak Hore Sitaram 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 Sitaram. This evening as we say Sitaram, as we bow our heads, we bow to the divinity within each and every one. We acknowledge that Bhagavan is within here, there, and everywhere. Shakabaraka Hore Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. पांचमुखहनुमान स्वामी की सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय जय सीताराम. You may have your respectful seats. At this time, I invite, of course, our dear Bhaiya Kishanji to lead us in a beautiful bhajan. We take the opportunity at this point in time to say a special thank you to our Srota, Auntie Geeta, for performing puja this evening. And of course, we say a special thank you to Bhai Kishan and Media Concepts 29 for taking our devotion to the home of those who are unable to be with us this evening in devotion. Be sure to join with us tomorrow evening for yet another most beautiful katha and of course pravachan. Bure Shri Satya Sanatan Dharma Ki Jai. Aarti will come to you firstly, then Panchamrit, and then Prasad will come.
ओ देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा को, देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा। ओ देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा को, देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा। ओ देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा को, देखो शिवजी बिहन चले। कृष्णानी बबूसली से के और पहनी नहीं छाला हो, सरवर मुख से चंद्रमा का और गल में सरस्वती माला हो, गल में सरस्वती माला हो। पान में कुंडल सोहे और गंगा वहे जटाओं में, डमरू और त्रिशूल विराज चंदन में लगे भुजाओ, वाह चंदन में लगे भुजाओ। कई के घोड़ा मन मुस्कानी शिवजी बारात उनाई, कई के घोड़ा मन मुस्कानी शिवजी बारात उनाई। ऐसे कोई करी नहीं देखी जैसे शक्कर पानी, ओ ऐसे कोई करी नहीं देखी जैसे शक्कर पानी देखी। ओम नमः शिवाय, हरि ओम नमः शिवाय, नमः शिवाय, हरि ओम नमः शिवाय। देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा को, देखो शिवजी बिहन चले गौरा। ओ देखो शिवजी बिहन चले शिव जी बिहन चले गौड़ा। साहिबारे ब्रह्मा विष्णु चक्र गति भराती हो, चतुर्न मुख से चंद्रमा का और गल में सरस्वती माला, वो गल में सरस्वती माला, वो पान में कुल्हड़ सोहे और गंगवत जटाओं में डमरू और त्रिशूल विराज, चंदन में लागे भुजाओ, वहाँ चंदन में लागे भुजाओ, कई के गौरा मानुस्तानी शिवजी बारात नाई, कई के गौरा मानुस्तानी शिवजी बारात नाई, ऐसे कोई करनी देखी जैसे शंकर पानी, करनी देखी जैसे शंकर पानी। ओ देखो वृंदावन में कुंज गलन में नाचे रंगा कुमार, ओ देखो वृंदावन में कुंज गलन में नाचे रंगा कुमार, नाचे रंगा कुमार, ओ देखो नाचे रंगा कुमार, नाचे रंगा कुमार, ओ देखो नाचे रंगा कुमार, ओ देखो वृंदावन में कुंज गलन में नाचे रंगा कुमार, ओ देखो वृंदावन में कुंज गलन में नाचे रंगा कुमार, ओ देखो वृंदावन में कुंज गलन में नाचे रंगा कुमार। देखो शिव जी बिहन चले गौरा को, देखो शिव जी बिहन